Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you are looking to up your cocktail game, you need these cherries.
These are the Amarena Fabbri Wild Cherries in syrup from Italy. Look how beautiful the presentation is. I was drawn in immediately, but then I tasted these cherries and I was like, no way. They are the most delicious cherries. They were made for so many things, and I would have to say the number one use in my house is making craft cocktails with these cherries. They just take that cocktail to the next level. They are so good, and I love using a little bit of that juice, that syrup that they're in as well. It's got this gorgeous cherry color and this unbelievably delicious wild cherry flavor. It is sweet, but it does not taste artificial. It is real cherry, and it is so delicious. Not to mention they look gorgeous too. Like, they add this beautiful color to your drink. Even if I'm making a mocktail, this takes it to the next level. I would put these on pancakes. Like, I just feel like there's so many uses for these cherries. They are gluten-free. You don't need to refrigerate them. This gorgeous container can sit out on your counter. It is so beautiful. I don't mind having it on display in my bar area. I've even added one to a little shot of Sambuca, which is my favorite. Normally I do a coffee bean with this. It was so delicious, and look how gorgeous that cherry color is too. These are just so unique. I have to say, these are my new favorite cherries. They're gonna be my go-to. I don't need to try any others because these are truly the most delicious.
I am completely obsessed with these cherries, and I feel like a talented mixologist when I use these in my drinks. Check them out, add them to your home bar. I don't think that you're going to be disappointed. That's just my point of view.